Good morning, students. This is your 4th Standard English Term 2, Lesson 1, Affection. Revision video. This is your revision video for your MCQ test. The topics we are going to revise today is prose, appa, poem, the real wealth, supplementary, a true friend, and grammar, punctuations and prepositions. Students, shall we start our revision video? Prose, appa. Students, do you remember the story about Meena who is studying in 12th standard? Yes, let's do revision about this lesson. Meanings. Write the meanings for the following. Listen carefully, students. This revision video is very useful for you to answer the MCQ test which is going to be held today evening. Listen carefully. Recited. Go or move back. Receded. Go or move back. Massive. Large or heavy. Large or heavy. Vrilled, to spin. Vrilled, to spin. Banged, to strike. To strike. Fainted. To lose consciousness. Fainted. To lose consciousness. Rehabilitation, the action to restore someone after the damage. The action to restore someone after the damage. Blankly, without expression. Without expression. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next, wipe. To clean. Wipe. To clean. Tumbled. To fall. Tumbled. To fall. Grab. To hold. Grab. To hold. Scream. To speak loudly. To speak loudly. Are you clear, students, with the meanings? Very good. Next, let's read the fill in the blanks regarding the story Appa. Meena's village was hit by waves on Sunday. Meena's village was hit by waves on Sunday. Meena was transferred to a dash rehabilitation center. Meena was transferred to a rehabilitation center. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for dash years. 5 years. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for 5 years. The official and his wife liked Meena. The official and his wife liked Meena. Meena studies in dash standard. Meena studies in 12th standard. Meena studies in 12th standard. Dash waves hit the village. 3 waves hit the village. 3 waves hit the village. The official was transferred to another dash. The official was transferred to another district. The official was transferred to another district. Are you clear, students? Yes. Meena's father was a dash man. Meena's father was a fisherman. Kirai Kupam is located in dash. Kirai Kupam is located in Nagapattinam. Dash disaster had hit the village. Dash disaster had hit the village. tsunami. Meena went to dash with her father. Meena went to seashore with her father. Meena went to seashore with her father. Students, are you clear with this fill in the blanks regarding the lesson Appa? Yes. Next is punctuation. Grammar, punctuation. These are the punctuation marks we have studied. Let's revise once again. C. C for capital letter. I am the capital letter. Where do you use capital letter? We will be using in the beginning of a sentence. For each beginning of a sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. Are you clear, students? I am a full stop. I look like a dot. Where do you use this full stop? We use this full stop at the end of a sentence. For each sentence, you will use full stop to end the sentence. I am a comma. I look like a dot with tail. Where do you use this? We use comma to separate words in a list of 3 or more things. We used to separate 2 or more things with the help of comma. I am a question mark. Where do you use this question mark? You use when you are asking questions to someone. When you are asking questions, you use question mark in the writing form. So students, I hope you all are clear with the punctuation marks we have studied. Let's do an exercise. Rewrite the sentence with punctuation marks. You have to add or give punctuation marks to the sentences given below. Let's do one by one. Where is my cat? Where do you use the punctuation? Here W should be in a capital letter. Where is my cat? Question mark. Jane ate an apple. Always the starting sentence should be with a capital letter. Jane ate an apple, full stop. The book is on the table. The capital T, book is on the table, full stop. Ravi wants book, pen and pencil. Ravi, the starting letter should be capital, wants book, comma, pen and pencil. Book, comma, pen and pencil, full stop. Do you play football? Here do should be, the D should be in a capital letter and it is a question mark. Do you play football? Next, my favorite color is blue. The starting sentence should be capital and my favorite color is blue, full stop. Lima is a good singer. Lima, capital L, is a good singer, full stop. Do you like pet animals? D should be capital. Do you like pet animals? It is a question. So, question mark. He likes shirt, pants and shorts. He likes capital H. He likes shirt, comma, pants and shorts, full stop. How are you? This is a question. In the written form, you have to write capital H. How are you? Question mark. Are you clear, students? This is the sentence with punctuation marks. Next is poem The Real Wealth. Students, I hope you remember this poem The Real Wealth about parents, brothers, sisters, friends. Yes, let's do its revision. Write the meanings for the following. You have to write the meanings for the following. Spoilt, destroy or quality of, bear, to withstand, deeds, an action performed, zest, happiness or energy, nurture, care for and protect. Repeat again, students. spoiled, destroy or quality of, bear, to withstand, deeds, an action performed, zest, happiness or energy, nurture, care for and protect. Are you clear, students? Yes. Let's do fill in the blanks regarding poem. Parents never let us get dash. Parents never let us get spoiled. Parents help us to overcome our dash. Parents help us to overcome our problems. Dash is next to parents in care. Dash is next to parents in care. Sisters. Dash are the real wealth. Dash are the real wealth. Relationship. Dash always stays to the last in our needs. Dash always stays to the last in our needs. A good friend. Parents bring us to this soil. Parents bring us to this soil. Dash always fights for his share. Dash always fights for his share. Brother. Dash them like your health. Dash them like your health. Nurture. Nurture them like your health. Are you clear, students? Yes. Now match the rhyming words. Let's match the rhyming words. Share. Share can be matched to bear. Bread can be matched to a head. Care. Dare. Deeds. Needs. Zest. Rest. Are you clear, students? Share, bear. Share will be matching to bear. Bread, a head. Care, dare. Deeds, needs. Zest, rest. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next is prepositions. I hope you remember this. Prepositions. The word in front of, behind and between tell us where the dog is. Such words are called prepositions of place. We have to find out where is the object, what is the actual place. To indicate the place, this is said to be prepositions of place. Let's do an exercise. Tick the correct place of the apple. Tick the correct place of the apple. What it is telling? The prepositions of place means in front of, behind and between. What are they? In front of, behind and between. Basing these three, you have to find out where is the apple placed. You have to find out the preposition of the place of the apple. Let's do. Tick the correct place of the apple. See the first picture. Where is the apple? Is it behind or between? Where it is? It is behind the box. In the second picture, where is the apple? The apple is in front of the box. In the third picture, where is the apple? The apple is between the boxes. Between the boxes. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next one, you have to see the picture and mention the correct prepositions for each picture. Let's see the first one. The doll is dash the box. Where is the doll? The doll is in front of the box. Second one, the doll is dash the boxes. See the picture. The doll is between the boxes. The doll is dash the box. The doll is behind the box. Are you clear, students? Yes. See the deer and the rabbit. Imagine your prepositions where it should be correctly placed. I am dash the rock. I am dash the rock. I am in front of the rock. In front of. In front of the rock. Second one, I am dash the tree. I am behind the tree. Next picture, I am dash the bushes. I am between the bushes. Are you clear, students? These are the prepositions of place. Next is supplementary, a true friend. In this story, we have studied the friendship of Nandini and Pandi, and the story is revolving around Nandini, who is very upset because her front two teeth are being gone. That is why she was so upset to open her mouth in front of her friends. Let's do the revision. Fill in the blanks. Dash were good friends from childhood. Dash were good friends from childhood. Nandini and Pandi. The teacher was dash. The teacher was annoyed. It was a dash frog. It was a rubber frog. Are you clear, students? Yes. Name the character or speaker in the given lines. There are few sentences given here. Just write the character and the speaker who has told this in the story. Do you have a fever? Who told this in the story? Teacher. Did someone scold you? Who told this in the story? One of her friend. Why does Nandini look so sad? Who told this? Nandini's friend. Are you all right? Who said this in the story? Teacher. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next is write a narrative paragraph on Kamarajar using the given information and add more information on your own. Please read these sentences and the paragraphs carefully. Kamarajan's birth date is 15th July 1903. The place where he born is Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. He is known as the Kingmaker or Karma Veerar. His achievements in his lifetime were midday meal scheme, reforms in education. He was honored Bharat Ratna in 1976. His positions held was Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And he died on 2nd October 1975. Are you clear, students? Yes. Students, this is your 4th Standard English Term 2 Lesson 2 Savings revision video. Today we will see the recall session of all the lessons we have studied in Lesson 2 Savings for this revision video. First, let us start with Pictionary meanings. Fungus, spongy living things that live on other living things. Fungus, spongy living things that live on other living things. Granary, place where grains are stored. Place where grains are stored. Piggy bank, a money box shaped like a pig. A money box shaped like a pig. Larder, a room or large cupboard for storing food. A room or large cupboard for storing food. Burrow, a hole or tunnel dug by a small animal like tortoise or rabbit. A hole or tunnel dug by a small animal is called burrow. Students, are you clear with this Pictionary meanings? Write it down in your English classwork. Today we are going to start the prose, and the name of the lesson is A Lesson to Save Glossary. the important words from the story and their meanings. Digging, break up and move earth. Traps, enclosure designed to catch and retain animals. Paralyze, incapable of movement. Sap, plant fluid. Students, write down these meanings in your English classwork with the lesson name on the top. Digging, break up and move earth. Traps, enclosure designed to catch and retain animals. Paralyze, incapable of movement. Sap, plant fluid. Students, are you clear with the story and the meanings? Students, let's do the book back exercise of your lesson 2 savings. Shall we do, students? Say whether the statements are true or false. The first lesson, a lesson of savings, in that you have say whether the statements are true or false. Read the sentence and say whether it is true or false. Amir left the tap opened earlier. Shall we do this? Amir left the tap opened earlier. True. Amir switched off the fan when he walked out. Amir switched off the fan when he walked out. False. Moles trap worms and store them. Moles trap worms and store them. True. Leaf cutter ants grow fungus. Students, tell me, leaf cutter ants grow fungus. Is it true or false? True. Amir realized his mistakes. Amir realized his mistakes. Yes, true. Very good, students. Choose the correct option. Read the question and choose the correct option which is correct to this blank. Moles dig to catch worms. Moles dig to catch worms. They dig worm trap. Leaf cutter ants can carry leaves that weigh dash time of their body weight. Dash times of their body weight. What is the answer, students? 20. Very good. Moles bite and dash the worms. Moles bite and dash the worms. What they will do? Paralyze. Leaf cutter ants drink dash. Leaf cutters ant drink dash. Leaf sap. Humans give importance to save dash. Humans give importance to save money. Are you clear, students? Next is question answers. Why should we close the tap after using it? Why should we close the tap after using it? We should close the tap after using it to save water for future generations. To save water for future generations. Where do the moles save their food? Moles save their food by digging a burrow in the earth. By digging a burrow in the earth. Why do the leaf cutter ants grow the fungus? Students, listen carefully. Why do the leaf cutter ants grow the fungus? The leaf cutter ants grow the fungus to feed their babies. To feed their babies. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next, let's do some grammar of prefix words. Prefix means the words which are added at the starting of the word. Match the following and write the new word. Match it. Pre will be matching to preview. So the answer is preview. This is equal to discontinue. familiar. Reopen. Are you clear, students? Yes. Here there are two words are given. Unpre, happy. Which word will fix to happy? Unhappy. Dispre, read. Which word will fix? Pre-read. Dishonest. Which word will fix to honest? Dishonest. Mix. Which word will fix? Remix. Are you clear, students? This is prefix words. Add a prefix to each word so that it matches the new definition. There are the sentence given over here. You have to match the word with the correct prefix and write it in the blank. Make sure the things are correct. Recheck. A person who got no luck. Unlucky. Do not approve. Disapprove. A chance to view before. Preview. You have to combine both and fill the blanks. Are you clear, students? So this is the poem in your textbook. What do humans save? Glossaries regarding the poem. Pile means to collect. Pantries, a storage room. Prey, an animal that is hunted and killed by another animal for food. Granary, a storehouse for threshed grains. Cannery, a place where the food is packed in cans or tins. Pile, to collect. Pantries, a storage room. Prey, an animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. Granary, a storehouse for threshed grain. Cannery, a place where the food is packed in cans or tins. Fill in the blanks with rhyming words in the poem. From the poem you have to write the rhyming words. Ant hill. What is the rhyming word in the poem? Chill. Ant hill, chill. CHILL, chill. Tunnels, channels. CHANELS, channels. CHANNELS, channels. Ladder. Ladder, starter. Starter. Tree, free. Are you clear, students? You have to find the rhyming words from the poem. So be thorough with the poem. Add was, were to complete the sentence. Was and were. Add it and complete the sentence. Read the question, students. I dash the leader of my class. I dash the leader of my class. What will be the answer here? Was. We dash in New York last week. We were in New York last week. You dash a baby. You were a baby. Raghu dash my junior in school. Raghu was my junior in school. Kavi dash kind to me. Kavi was kind to me. The bus dash brand new. The bus was brand new. They dash friends. They were friends. Are you clear, students? Yes. Write the past form of the verbs. We have already studied this. I hope you all do remember it. Read. What is the past tense? Read. Sing. Sang. S-A-N-G, sang. Sleep, write the past tense. So, slept. Are you clear, students? Yes. This is the past tense verbs. Complete the sentence with the simple past form of the given verbs. You have to complete the sentence with the simplest form of the given verbs. Here in the bracket there is a word given. You have to write it in a past tense. Shall we write? You have to add ed or the past form of the word. It dash last winter. In bracket what it is? Snow. So you have to write the past tense of it. So it is called snowed. S-N-O-W-E-D. Snowed. The rain dash all day. Bracket continue. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D. Continued. Past tense ed. I dash lose my balance. Write the past tense of it. That is lost. We dash stand for hours. Stand is in the bracket. So what you have to write? Stood. The past tense of stand is stood. Tom dash come home from school. Come is in the bracket. So what you have to write as a past tense? Very good. C-A-M-E, came. Are you clear, students? Yes. Fill in the blanks with simple future tense. We have studied if it is a future tense, you have to use will. Will or shall. You have to use will or shall. Okay? Let us see and do it. Shakti dash earn lot of money. What it will come before if it is a future tense? What we have to write? Will earn a lot of money. You dash travel around the world. You will travel around the world. Everybody dash adore you. Will adore you. Many people dash serve you. Will serve you. They dash anticipate your wishes. They will. For future tense you have to add will to the given word in the bracket. Then you can complete the sentence. Are you clear, students? Save wisely. Save wisely. Every year the children visit their grandparents. At the end of the festival, Kamali and Sendil saved money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Savings is done after fulfilling the basic needs. Basic needs. Sendil bought a dash from his savings. Camera. What did he bring? He bought a camera. Kamali gave her savings to whom? To her father. Very good. To her father. Are you clear, students? Every year the children visit grandparents. At the end of the festival, Kamali and Sendil saved some amount of money. Savings is done after fulfilling the basic needs. Sendil bought a camera from his savings. Kamali gave her savings to her father. Students, all the best for your MCQ test. Do well.